So it's like 6 a.m. I stopped at Buc-ee's, of course, because why not? Other than the beef burrito. I'm on my way to Houston right now because I should probably get my phone actually. I'm on my way to Houston because that's not me. One of my friends is getting married again, and not my friend's getting married again. I have another wedding to attend, so I'm going early. Gonna meet up with Josh and Jimmy to go on a bike ride. We'll see how that goes, and then later on we'll get ready for the wedding and whatnot. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I don't know if I've been here early enough to where there's no beef, or not beef, but there's there is no beast burrito, is what I'm trying to say. Chilly outside. Oh, did not know I was playing Lord. So I picked up some tacos because they didn't have the beef burrito, unfortunately. Grabbed some coffee, which I don't know if it's a good move or not, considering I'm going to go biking. But yeah, now I have 2 more hours to drive. It's so cold.
Yeah, boys, I don't know how long. Got riding back too.
Into the wind. Bro, I think I had gloves in my car. Fuck. Like little glove liners.
I thought you were talking about.
Jimmy, new shoes?
Yeah, thank you. Oh yeah.
Wait, why?
I got them on sale and they fit me.
Oh, nice. Third hill coming up. It's a little tough, but we still have the big ass spiral to do, and that's gonna be rough. Oh, switcheroo, Jim. That water looks... it is rafting water. It is going pretty good. It's fucking disgusting though. I think this art is new. Or from when I lived here a couple years ago. Pretty neat. Little mural. Into the wind, as you can probably hear. I had to bike up that spiral incline type thing into the wind. It's fucking terrible. And now we're going down a hill right now, so I have to just biking in the wind is not fun, you know.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?